Ninjani.
How's it?
Nshab.
Sure.
Nkombela lift.
Ukwaga?
Toyando block G.
Block G?
Yeah.
Okay. Arva. Yellow bone. Ngonga ndime awangayo hele. Wadwa onnakela ngamanda. Onnakangela ndile ne utonga ngo otosvika shango ni mulova hatuswa nanga duba.
Thank you.
Dzina la ufinyi abenga ndila yanaka ngayo, to be honest with you. Onakanga hila ndila ine arandova ndi traffic ndo andikoto mwana na tikiti ya over beautiful. Ako kupa na ku 1.5 konakesa. You're over beautiful, my girl. Ufinyi ene? Misho. Okay, so apa block G nile xikolweni kumbe nile ntirhweni?
Nile xikolweni mara ni ya kaya sweswi ni tshama kona.
Hey, Misho. Okay, when mina mi saseke so mara? Mativa u ta ti khomisa hi ti BP ta ti high love pressure mativa. Misho. Onakesa man, so ndinga wana nomboro zawe?
But I don't know you.
You don't know me? I mean,
I can't just give you my numbers.
No, it's a matter of that. Even myself, I gave you a lift, but I don't know you. Isn't it?
I know, but still, you giving me a lift doesn't mean that I have to give you my numbers.
Yeah, it's true, but I mean, just to be friends, I mean, knowing you better, it's like we can start it from there, being friends and chatting, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. I mean, any type of social network you have, I mean, we can start get ratomoamba nepo, then I'm gonna diva queen and then I'm diva queen like Radiva. I mean, Rabazi good friends, and from there, Rachida high life. And I thought you don't like to live a high class life. Which was the class? I mean, which Rama do now go our 30 cents. How do you want to let me move your tank? Oh no, I don't really want to let you quick and do near Marcy. Okay, so R&D.
You can see
Hey, no, who could you one? I saw you and who could you one? No, me, mera, Terry. Okay. Nakesa, manama, nakere, Asion. Ngompa number, number to us, ngompa number. Non number phone kana kampe phone ndimujensele ngo udomfoinela ngori enotonga hako takalelo rine ndimfoinele msi.
Yeah, I think it's better when I have your numbers because we don't know each other, so it's better if I call you.